Video number 29. Conditional operators for lists. Hi! In this video, we are going to see how to compare one item from the list with the value. So, we already know how to take one item from a list, right? Now, let's see how to compare this item with the value using a conditional operator. Do you remember we have learned about conditional operators in level 1? Let me explain it once again. When we ask a question to Python, it is called as checking a condition, and the output value we get is the Boolean value. You can get only two values as output, which is true or false. True means yes and false means no. Yes, now you remember it. Good. Now let us go to Python and see an example. So now let us create a list of gene size. We write gene size is equal to, let's open the square bracket and write 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And now let's close the square bracket. Let us compare each item from the list gene size with the value 12. So we know how to take one item at a time from the list, right? Yes, we use index number to do it. And the index number starts from 0, 1, 2 and goes on. Can we take the first item from our list and check if the item is greater than or equal to 12? Let us check the condition inside a print statement. So, we first write print, open bracket, close bracket. Then, the first item from our list is 6. So, to take the item, we use the index number, correct? And the index number starts with 0. So, we write gene size, open the square bracket, 0, close the square bracket inside our print statement. Now, let us compare it with the value 12 using the conditional operator greater than equal to. So, we add this condition inside the print statement. We write greater than equal to 12 after our gene size of 0. Now save the file and run the code. The output is false because the first item in our list 6 is not greater than and not equal to 12. The output we get is false. In the same way, we can check for our second and third items. So, first, let me copy this print statement again and paste it 2 times and change the index to 1 and 2. Now, save the file and run the code. The output we get is false for both because the second and third item are not greater than 12 and also not equal to 12. Now, let's check for our fourth and fifth items in our list. So, let me copy this print statement again and paste it 2 more times, and this time let's change the index to 3 and 4. Now, save the file and run the code. The last 2 output is true. Why? Because the fourth and the fifth item in the list is equal to or greater than 12. So, when Python checks our condition greater than equal to 12, the output we get is true. So, now do you understand how we can compare the items in the list with the value using conditional operators? We should take one item at a time from the list and use a conditional operator to check for a condition with the value. We can also use different conditional operators we have learnt before, like equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, etc. See you all in our next video. Bye bye.